Okay, here that's the K961 excavator. Let's see how to bind in the receiver to radio if you lost the signal. So, auto switch back to middle, yeah, to middle. Then come to manual, go to RX set, go to bind settings, go to start, click start. It's already binding, but here battery already connected. It's not power on yet. The binding plug from your radio box, short circuit one, yeah, plug into this binding connection to receiver for bind. Push in, then still binding, power it on. Now it is binded. Okay, then remove this binding plug. Then you start operation.